Cadillac headlight bulb. That bracket has a bolt. This bracket has a bolt. So 1, 2. And then all your clips go on for the headlight. One bolt here. Another bolt there. Yeah. One bolt here. No, that's a nut. The bumper gotta take off. Oh my goodness. This cover here. That cover comes off. This cover comes off. Take out all the clips at the top. That bolt. No, that bolt. There's a second bolt down here. That bolt. And then there's a nut right there. Then, holy moly. Then you can get to the headlight. The headlight bulb. Wow. Now that the headlight is out, you have full access to the headlight bulb, which is gonna be that guy right there. Okay, I just took out these 3 bolts. Took out this cover that was here. Now I have access to the light bulb. Squeeze the tab there. My finger's too big. Squeeze the tab. Squeeze. Move it out. Now spin the light counterclockwise, because what? That's clockwise. That's counter. Counterclockwise. What do we have? We have a bad blown bulb. Okay. This right here, and here. One and 2, and the nut. So you take your nut, put it in here, and down. Take it 10 millimeter. Take your 10 mil. That's in the bowl. And that is how you change a headlight bulb for a Cadillac CTS. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the end of the video for the playlist. It's your boy AD. I'm out. Peace.